Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. In this verse of Ashtavakra Gita, Ashtavakra says, the wise man's actions are spontaneous and without pretense, whereas the deliberate silence of the foolish is because of their own personal desires, lust, and greed. What does this mean? This means that a wise man is not without any personal axe to grind. He or she does not have any material interests. They are like children. Children are spontaneous. They don't have any pretense. They will say or do things which have no meaning, or they are guileless and without any sin. Whereas elders who are tainted by the color of this material universe remain deliberately silent, not because they are good, but because they are extremely cunning and they feel that their personal interests will be served if they are non-committal. There is a proverb in Delhi which was very prevalent during the 80s. It was called Assi Ki Lena. Assi Ki Lena means, why should I bother about what is going on? If two guys are fighting with each other, let them kill each other. We will not behave or we will not interfere. However, if we find that one of them is losing, let us join the strong one and show our own manlyhood or our courage by beating the already defeated man. This is the Delhi style in the year 80s. Of course, people have come to realize their folly only now, and now the people are more cooperative. But this was the method there. In Bombay, it is called Eda Bankar Peda Khana. That means that though I am intelligent and though I know something, I don't want to strain myself. So I'll just observe till someone else does something, and when the resultant fruit is distributed, I will also go there for my piece of the fruit. This in Bombay is called Eda Bankar Peda Khana. In English, it is called fence sitters. Fence sitters are people who are deliberately silent. They don't want to take sides. They are just observing the things to find out which side is going to be heavy. They are in the middle. They want to bend towards the side which is more powerful, and they will never lose an opportunity to do so. This is a foolish way of thinking, because those stupid people don't think that there are many such people there and they are also waiting to take sides. It is quite possible that the side that I am thinking is powerful may not be that powerful, and the side that is on the opposite is more powerful. And then in the fence there are several people like me who are sitting, and some may jump that side and make it more powerful, and then I'm stuck with the losing party. In Hindi, there is a proverb, फेर न हुए है कपट सो जो कीजे व्यापार, जैसे हांडी काठ की चढ़े न दूजी बार. That means that a person who has been a fence sitter and has knowingly or unknowingly shown his true colors even once will never ever be trusted by anybody, both those who he had sided and those who he did not side. This applies even to women. He or she has to be a person of character. Only then he or she can succeed in this world. If they try or he or she tries to go on the winning party side, sooner or later his or her self-serving nature will be known to all and nobody will trust that person. In that case, this person will have no other go but to be pushed to a corner. A foolish person remains deliberately silent and thinks that he or she is very smart. And because of that, initially things may be as sweet as nectar, but sooner or later the things may start tasting like poison. One has to be very careful. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if character is lost, everything is lost. If you prove to people that you have no character and that you are only self-serving, initially you may succeed, but in the long run you have to fail. You will deliberately fail because others may have been taken in by surprise attack once or twice, but it cannot happen all the time. Sooner or later, they all will join together and take over whatever you have. And once they do, it is impossible for you to take it back because you are now characterless. You have no soul, no conscience, nothing. So the trust is lost in humanity for you. Foolish people, that is why Ashtavakra says foolish people. Actually, foolish people are those who think that they are very intelligent. So they don't act according to their inner conscience or inner soul. They keep deliberately silent and cruelly silent at a time when they should act. They think that by doing so they will win. Ultimately, they rue the time when they had kept silent. On the other hand, the wise man acts spontaneously, without any malice, just like a child. If something is right, he or she is with the right. If something is wrong, he or she will certainly protest against it. And though initially he or she may fail in that endeavor, yet sooner or later his or her character will be appreciated by humanity, and then one day he or she will be hailed as a leader. Mahatma Gandhi, Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, Gautama the Buddha, Mahavir Jain, all the great leaders who have made a positive change in the society were people like this. They behaved like innocent children and they behaved spontaneously. They listened to their soul and acted accordingly. Initially, there were roadblocks, but ultimately, they succeeded. Till I meet you all in my next video, it is good morning from TSV Raghavan.